Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for February 24th through March 10th. For February 24th to 28th, we have an upper low here near the Aleutians, ridge here over the Eastern Pacific and the Gulf of Mexico, you can see right here, and we have above normal heights with southwest flow across the central states, and we have a trough extending from this upper low, maybe developing a closed low here, and over the southwest, and that will bring some unsettled conditions to the country as we go forward. Now, we have energy here. You can see in the upper levels. This will track eastward and merge with northern stream energy and combine with moisture streaming northward from the Gulf of Mexico will cause precipitation across the south central states to the northeast through Friday. Now, there will be a cold high pressure system across northern Canada or eastern Canada, and we're going to show you what we're talking about here. 24th. Now here we are at the 24th. Now here's our high that we're talking about. This calls cold air into the system. So across here there'll be heavy rain. There's a chance of excessive rainfall here across north central Tennessee to eastern Kentucky and western Virginia Thursday and Thursday night. So here we are Thursday night, 8 p.m. And we have heavy rain occurring here, and then further to the north and west, we have ice and snow and mixed precipitation here. So this will have to be watched as we go through the period. Then we go to Friday. Now the system moves into the northeast and the mid-Atlantic, and it's inside an inside runner. So you can see we have mixed precipitation here across the northeast. So this will lead to rain and snow, or ice and snow turning to rain as we go through the period. This will be 7 o'clock Friday night, and it's over and it moves out. But that's the GFS. Here's the European. Similar, the system will be close to the region. And here is the European ensembles, a little bit to the south. And here is the Canadian, further southward. And now we have the NAM, which keeps it further to the south and hardly any precipitation, or it's slow to arrive and only goes out to so many hours. We have lighter precipitation here across the north, across the mid-Atlantic region. So we still have a little time to look at this. We'll be looking at fine-tuning the forecast as we go forward. Okay, we're going to look at the forecast now from March 1st to the 5th. And a trough remains near the Aleutians, and the ridge with above normal heights covers the west central states, and we have a trough over the northeast. You can see it right here. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 48 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures forecast in much of this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for March 6th to the 10th. So this over a little bit. And the pattern transitions more to a zonal flow. We saw our upper low here that might move further to the north. This trough lifts out, more of a zonal flow across the country, but there's a little concern here. I'm not exactly, how can I say, confident with this part of the forecast because the PNA will be trending near positive, and there could be a weakening of the polar vortex. This would be a late season polar vortex disruption. Some of the models, like the GEFS, is showing a stretched elongation of the polar vortex, which causes weakening. We have to see if that happens. But for now, this is what we're having here, is more of a zone of flow. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and then we have above normal temperatures for much of this region here, and anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal are possible. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have below normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 24th through March 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.